Thanks for checking out our 2015 Holden SV6 Series 2 sports wagon. This one here's got the alloy wheels, front and rear park sensors. You do have blind spot monitoring as well. And as you can see, it has the leather with the suede throughout inside. This one here is one of the well looked after family cars. These are awesome in the Series 2s. You get LED tail lights and much more. Better looking front bumper bar as well. You've got an alloy spare in the back of this car as well. And as you can see, the body in this car is in really good condition. Coming through inside the car, you get cruise control. And you do get many other features. You get reverse camera as well. Push button start, dual zone climate control. It will park itself as well. And you can turn on your front park sensors on and off. Unfortunately, I don't make these anymore. This car will not last long. It is the cheapest Series 2 on car sales at the moment in a sports wagon. We look forward to speaking soon.